Hey there folks, and welcome back to the channel. And here we have a box here for a quick unboxing, and we have Kevin ready with the trusty knife, which we will remove from him because I'm sure that he's probably going to be up to no good with that. So here we go. This is one of those, as you can see, it's Amazon. Now when I'm scrolling through watches, and I don't know if any of you guys are kind of the same way, there's usually a if you scroll down, you have a look at the price and just scroll down a bit further, and sometimes they will have a bit where it says that there's other options for purchasing. So that's what this is, and it was reduced because the packaging was damaged. Normal retail price of this, as you can see, we have a Casio edifice. Normal retail price of this is around about 70 to 75 GBP, and I paid just under 50 quid for this because it had a damaged box, which looks like it's not damaged. So yeah, bit odd, but there we go. I'm not complaining, but it was one of those things that kind of that sort of money would have been rude not to. And you know, a Casio edifice is, to be fair, is always going to be a pretty good pickup. They do some fantastic watches, great value, obviously quartz. And here we go. Let's see what we've got here. And pop the lid over there, and we have on the bottom of the box we have the module number 5106 and warranty, and a big sheet of paper that will open out, which I will never look at. And let's pop it off of the cushion. Quite a nice little cushion, usual Casio edifice thing. They all look the same. And then that wonderful Casio plastic bag. And here we go. Here's the watch. Pretty cool, eh? Let's peel this sticker off. Yeah, that's the satisfying part. To be honest with you, yeah, I'd pay money all day buying watches just to be able to do that. So yeah, this actually looks pretty good. It's on a silicone strap, which, to be fair, doesn't feel too bad. But let's have a quick looky, and we have got kind of a carbon fibre effect on there, which is pretty cool. 24-hour subdial, which looks to be raised rather than recessed, which is interesting. And then we've got, then I'm assuming at the bottom we'll have your chronograph seconds and your chronograph minutes. And well, would you look at that? Let's just zoom out a bit. The seconds hand is hitting the marks pretty nicely. Now that's not bad. Now then, if you go back and have a look at a previous video on a Swiss-made quartz piece from Devosa, that was a mile off. Now then, Devosa, if Casio can do it, you know what I mean? But let's just run the chronograph, see if we're... Are we going? Yeah, there we go. Chronograph running away there. And stop. And reset. It's quite a largish looking watch. Going across. I've not got any measurements on it yet, but we will do that in the full review. Got a kind of a angle going on here, which is kind of reminiscent, I suppose, a little bit of a Seiko Samurai. Normal size strap in there, probably it's going to be about 22mm, but it's the way it's stepped out there because the top is a bit wider, so I'm not sure how another strap would go in there. High polished pretty much everywhere, and we have, yeah, not a bad looking watch. Edifice signed crown, quite a nice case shape, bit of curvature down there, and on the back Casio edifice Water resistant to 10 bar. The model number, Japan movement, crafted in China. But yeah, I think this is actually, yeah, it's pretty good. It's going to be a great grab and go watch for kind of whatever you're going to do, really. 100-meter water resistance. I mean, you can't go wrong. Tang and buckle, which is all high polished. The strap, as I said, doesn't feel too bad. What have we got on here? This will be your model number, the EF-552-1AVEF. Like I said, these retail for around about the £70 mark. But yeah, it's well worth just scrolling down a bit if you're on Amazon, because you know, sometimes you'll find one which has got damaged packaging, which this clearly wasn't. You know, it's like an instant £20–25 off. Yeah, well worth it. Well worth it. But we'll come back and we'll have a full review of this at a later date. So there we go, quick unboxing, Casio edifice, and just run up the serial number for you again if you like the look of that. I'll leave a link to it in the description, so that if you fancy one of these, you can go and grab one. They're not all reduced. This was the only one. Like I said, they're normally about £70, but yeah, there we go. So yeah, if you like this kind of thing and you want to see more about this watch and many other watches of all sorts, quartz, you know, mechanical, manual wind, automatic, you know, this is the place to be. All pretty affordable, with the odd exception. Please subscribe to the channel and give me a like for this one. That would be great. And don't forget to hit the notification bell if you do subscribe, so you get notified when I upload any more content. But that is it for now. Just a quick unboxing for today. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers for now.